One day, Little Elephant played by the river. He sucked water with his trunk. Whoosh! The water splashed on Little Duck. "Oh no! My feathers!" cried Duck. Little Elephant got scared and hid behind a tree. "If he knows," he thought, "he won't play with me." Little Duck told Little Bird what happened. Little Bird saw Little Elephant hiding and smiled gently. "Maybe it was an accident," said Bird. Little Elephant felt his cheeks get hot. He walked out. "I'm sorry, Little Duck. It was my fault," he said. "It's okay," said Duck. "Be careful next time." Little Elephant smiled with relief. Do you say sorry when you make mistakes? Like and follow.